Grains any mixed on Thursday post WASD. Chip Nellinger joining us with analysis. And we did see corn and soybeans to the plus side on Thursday, Chip, especially corn. We had a pretty friendly number there with that ending stocks number finally under 1.5 billion bushels.
Yeah, we finally got that. There's been some rumors and some anticipation that the USDA had some room to move exports higher, and they certainly did that on this report. So net 75 million bushel bump in total demand, went right to the bottom line. 75 million bushel decrease in ending stocks, and the corn market took that news really well and had a nice strong close above some key moving averages, above the previous swing high from a few weeks ago. And so technically, the market looks really good on good footing here on corn, but we do have some overhead resistance just above us at some retracement levels as well.
Soybeans have been very resilient despite the fact that we've had all of this China tariff news. We didn't get a whole lot in the report really to, I guess, push the market one way or another. So what drove things on Thursday?
Yeah, I think it's still kind of catching up a little bit. So the bean market broke harder than the corn market did on the tariff news and in the volatility there and the anticipation that China was going to be, long-term out of the market. Now with the pause in the tariffs, I think there's an anticipation that eventually we'll get some agreement made with China down the road here. And the bean market had some catching up to do as it relates to corn. So I think for the second day, you still saw some optimism coming back into the bean market. And we probably just went too low too fast relative to where corn was at.
Wheat market, 27 million bushel increase in ending stocks. And that was part of the pressure that we saw in wheat. But it just can't catch a break here, it doesn't seem like.
I still find it hard to believe that all the rain in the, kind of the Eastern Corn Belt, Ohio River Valley area still won't be a net negative, but it's just going to take a couple weeks on the crop condition report to show that. Also, Kansas, Oklahoma still very, very dry. So I think there's some things under the surface that are bubbling, but we just can't seem to ever see that ending stocks number shrink. It just seems like every report, they just add to it just a little bit more each time.
That is Chip Nellinger, Blue Reef Agri Marketing, and we'll have more Ag Day coming up.